Welcome back, everybody, to We Are Infinite with Glenn Burgess. Today we are going to talk about 5 ways to change and how to do that. And once we do that, these 5 ways, if you utilize them and you work them the best in your ability to do so, your life will change. Your whole life will take a dramatic turn for the better. Things will start to progress. Your attitude, your emotions, your relationships, your work environment, your creativity and imagination will soar to new fucking heights once you utilize these 5 ways. The first way is you have to want to change. You have to want it. Like the old saying, you could take a horse to water, but you can't force that horse to drink. I know on my journey and my path to recovery, to understanding who I am, and to creating more possibilities and better relationships in my life, I had to realize that you first have to want it. People can tell you till you're blue in the face that you need to change, that your life ain't going right, or you have an addiction, but I'm going to tell you something. If 5 people are calling you a duck and you think you're a bird, then I think you're a duck. So the first thing we need to realize is that we're a duck and that we need change, but we have to first want change. You have to truly hate how your life is going. You have to truly hate going check by check, or relationships failing, or anger issues, or your emotions, or depression. You have to want to change that. You are a beautiful, beautiful individual. Every part of your makeup, your physical makeup, your emotional makeup, your intelligence, everything that you have, that you've been put on this earth with, is beautiful. You have to see that. You have to see that you are beautiful. You have to see that in order to see that, you have to change the negative aspects of how you visualize yourself. Because a lot of it comes from lack of knowledge. Like the Bible says, my people perish for lack of knowledge. You have to understand yourself. You have to love yourself, every aspect of yourself. You have to truly want that for yourself. You have to truly want to become better. That is the first way to change. You have to recognize that you need change first before you can even go on to the other steps. This is the first step to change, is knowing that whatever it is in your life that's causing you turmoil, depression, sadness, anger, addictions, lack of finances, whatever it is, it's because somewhere in there, the universe is telling you you need to change. But first, you have to see it. You have to realize what that change is and how to change it. The second way to change and how to change is, once you understand that you need change, it's now speaking it. You have to speak change into existence. You have to tell yourself, day in and day out, I am going to do this. Tomorrow morning when I wake up, I am going to get up out of bed. I'm going to set a schedule. I'm going to set a routine, and I'm going to start following it no matter what it is. You set a schedule. You set a little routine. Don't do too much, because if you can't make it, you don't want to overbear yourself with routines and schedules. You don't want to do that, because if you overburden yourself with too much stuff, you're going to burn out. You can't do it like that. When I mean set schedules or set routines, you start small. Start with what you know you can do for that day. And as the days goes on, you progress it. You add more to your routine. You add more to your schedule, whether it be physical, if you need to work out. Because actually, everybody needs body, soul, and spirit, and mind. We need those to be in balance, to be in order, to be in alignment with the rest of the universe. So going back to the words, you have to start speaking it. Like when you get up, start telling yourself, I'm beautiful. Look in the mirror, tell yourself, I'm beautiful. I'm amazing. I'm intelligent. I am creative. I am imaginative. I am powerful beyond measure. I am rich. I am wealthy. I am healthy. Tell yourself these things and start believing it. Start believing that you are here to contribute to this world. You aren't here just to not contribute. You have a purpose, you have a plan, and you have a destiny. And once you can understand that you need change and you start speaking this positivity into your life, brings the third way on how to change your life, which is your thoughts. Because the more you speak it, it goes into your thoughts, into your mind, and your mind starts seeing it. And then you start thinking, start dwelling on positive shit. Start dwelling on things that you really want to change in your life, that you really want to excel in, whether it be art, sports, relationships, finances, spirituality. No matter what it is, start thinking about it. Start speaking about it. And that is what's going to bring the fourth step, which is action. Action is the fourth step. Because once you're speaking it and you're following your routines, once you're thinking it, thinking of the positive stuff that you want to happen in your life and how you want to excel, how you want to bring prosperity, success, whatever form it is, you'll start acting it. And that's when you start building your character. You start building your reputation. You start building your persistency and consistency and motivation. And you start disciplining yourself more to that. And start adding more to your schedule. Start adding more to your routines that you can fit in. Even if it's a half hour, hour a day, to better yourself. You're going to put yourself way further down the line than you were yesterday. And you got to remember, the past is gone. There is no future. There is only now. So don't wait to do this. Figure out what it is you need to change. Speak the words. Think the thoughts. And put those words and thoughts into action. And that will change your life. It's changing mine. I've been down the road of destruction. I figured these 5 ways of change. How to change, because I did it myself. It is helping me. I've destroyed relationships. I've destroyed my marriages. I've destroyed tons and tons of different things in my life. Tons of it. I've destroyed friends. I've destroyed people, businesses, you name it. I was on that destructive path. And what helped me off that destructive path is I first had to realize. I needed change. I wanted to get the fuck out of those prisons. I wanted to get the fuck out of jail and stay the fuck off the streets. I didn't want to go in court no more or deal with cops. Not on a negative aspect. Now I love cops. They're cool. A lot of them are. I mean, there's some that are doing wrong, but that's everybody. Everybody's got skeletons in their closets. But that's how I did it. I knew I needed change. I spoke the words. I set schedules. I set routines, which I'm still doing now. And I'm taking the actions necessary to bring forth my reality into existence. The reality I want. See, you're only going to get out of reality what you put into it. You put 75% into your reality, you're only going to get 75 back. You put 60 and you're going to get 60. You put 100, you're going to get 100. You put 105, 110, 120, you're going to fucking get it. That's just how the law of attraction works, the laws of the universe. Why? Because now you're in balance with the rest of the universe, and the universe will give you the desires of your heart. Because now you're also learning what the 5th thing is on how to change your life. It's having that relationship with your higher power. Your higher power, whether it be God, whether it be Jesus, whether it be Allah, whether it be a tree or a brook or a book, whatever it is, let it guide you. We each have spiritual guides. We don't hear them. Why? Because we're so focused on everything else. Our mind is blocked from hearing. Because we're so entwined with everything else. We got so many thoughts running through our mind that we can't see our creator, our higher power the way I like to see it is the universe and myself. I can't hear those things. I can't follow those things when my mind is blocked. So how do I do that? How do I have that relationship with my higher power? I meditate. I breathe. And breathing allows you, if you take deep breaths in and let the breath out, and keep your eyes closed and just focus on your breathing, it'll clear and calm your thoughts to where you can have that relationship and have them thoughts with your higher power. And it'll help you through the day to see the signs that the universe and your higher power is giving you. It's going to give you the strength. And if you follow those 5 steps and 5 ways to change, I promise you, without a shadow of a doubt in my mind, you will fucking change. So I'm offering you guys a challenge starting right now. Find out what it is you need to change and change it. Change your words, change your thoughts, change your actions, and have that relationship with your higher power. Read and educate yourself. Figure out what makes you tick. Because deep down inside you, my friend, all the answers are there. You are universal consciousness. You are powerful. All the answers lie deep down inside you. All you got to do is ask, seek, and knock. And it will and shall be opened unto you. Set schedules. Set some routines. Remember, don't overburden yourself. Do what you can handle. Your creator, your God, whatever your higher power is, will not give you more than you can handle. But with much given, much is required. You want these beautiful things in life? You want all prosperity, success, and beautiful relationships? I'm challenging you to change your life. And I promise you, it will happen. But for now, we are infinite. Peace.